So after entering the data into the Excel and saving the file, it's time to apply some formulas. So welcome to you the world of Excel calculation formulas. So now we will use the various methods or various ways that you can use the calculation into the Excel. Obviously I will be start with very basic level, and then after I will also show you some advanced level of formulas. So as of now in my data, what I have number of months, I have the figures of sales and expenses, and I want to calculate the profit or loss, and I want to also calculate the totals of the profit loss, right? So what I can do, click on the cell wherever you want to start the formulas. So as you can see, I'm just clicking on this cell. The cell is C15. In your case it may be same or it may be different. If you are follow along same methods or same along with me, so you can also go to the cell number C15. Now to start the formula you have to start with equal sign. So Excel will be understand that some formulas now has to be applied in this cell. So what I want to do, I want to calculate the sum of all these cells. So first I can click on this cell, that is 1500. The cell is C2. Okay. Then after I can type plus symbol from the keyboard. Then again click on this cell, plus symbol, this cell, plus symbol. So as you can see, Excel is automatically added all the cell to my calculation. Obviously you might be wondering, we don't want to go with this lengthy method. Obviously I will also show you some shortcut that how you can use. So as you can see, we have applied all the cell for the total, and now you have to just press the enter. So as you can see, my total cell is 32,424.54, right? This is my total cell. Now Excel is such a powerful, as you know, if you change the numerical data, it will be also change your total calculations and everything, right? So instead of 1500, let's say in the January month your cell is 3500, and the moment when I will be press the enter, my calculation in the total will be updated automatically. So as we can see, instead of 32,000 now it is 34,000 and so on. Now same thing I want to do the calculation for the expenses. So how you can do it? You can just press the equal key. Now this time I don't want to select individual. This time you can use the auto sum function as well. So I can first press the escape key. Now click on auto sum. So this auto sum will be do the calculation for the automatically all the sum. But as you can see right now the cell has been picked is wrong. So what I can do, I can click and drag. So the Excel will be able to understand it that we want to do the sum from D2 cell, that is 1000 number, to the D13 cell. Okay, and then just press the enter. So as we can see, my total of expenses has been now come here as well. Let me show you once again. So let me delete it. You can also write is equal to sum, then after bracket, and then after select the cell number D2, that is from the Excel expenses, and click and drag and just complete the bracket, and then after press the enter.